Imagine waking up each morning, unsure if you can feed your family. This is the reality for many. Food security is key to ending hunger. Today, we'll explore its definition, implications, and importance, especially in Zambia. Food security means everyone has access to enough food. According to the FAO, it involves the right quantity and quality of food. This enables people to live healthy lives. It's not just about food availability, it's about accessibility too. Food security can be evaluated on 3 levels: national, community, and household. Each level interacts but highlights different concerns. Understanding these levels is essential for tackling food insecurity. At the national level, food security means having enough staple crops. This is monitored yearly, considering production levels, market efficiency, and economic factors. If a country can't produce enough food, insecurity arises. Community-level food security looks closely at villages. Here, local stakeholders, such as community organizations, assess food conditions. They gather and analyze data to inform solutions at this grassroots level. Household-level food security focuses on individual families. Each household's food stock, income, and market access indicate their food security status. Addressing household food insecurity is critical for broader national security. Our final level is regional and global food security. Regions like SADC coordinate efforts to summarize food situations. This information helps identify areas in need and informs global responses. Let's summarize. Food security is essential for everyone. It's about availability, accessibility, and utilization of food. Ensuring that every level is secure feeds into the bigger picture of national and global stability. So, what can you do? Advocate for local food security initiatives and support organizations fighting hunger. Share this video to spread awareness about food security's vital role in our world's health and stability.